Sonic side here. So in this video, I want to show you how you can edit your video using Camtasia. So this is the software I'm recommending because you can use that on PC and on Mac as well. So that's really powerful. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to File and you want to go to Import. You want to go to Media. Then you want to choose the medias you want to import. So the first thing I want to import is my intro. Then I want to import my video as well. So after you're done your importing, you will see that all the video file are all over here. So all you have to do is you want to drag and drop to this area. So right now you can organize your videos here. And you can change the layer. So if this one is on top, then this one will show first, right? If it's on the button, and it will show later. You can also make a copy of your intro. Like I can say copy, and I can paste. Then I will have another one. I will use that as an outro as well. Then you can use the zoom in and zoom out feature so that you can easily overview your timeline. So right now I want to set up this above the intro. So when the music starting fading, I can start showing my face. So the next thing I want to do is I want to remove like those unnecessary part of the video. So you can see I'm walking into the screen. So it's actually not necessary for the video. So I want to go to here and want to choose the video clip and want to click on this split, right? So right now I'm splitting this video into two parts. So this part is when I walk into the screen, and this part is I start talking, so I don't need that one. I just click on delete. Then I can move that. Another part I want to edit is the last part because it's basically I walk out to the camera. So I want to go to the video clip. Then I want to click on the split again. And that's it. And if there's any part in the video you don't like, you can just use the split feature all the time, right? Maybe this part you don't like, then you just split it. Or you can combine two different video into one as well. So another thing I liked is I want to reduce the noise. So sometimes there will be some noise at my background. I don't really like that, so I just go to the audio effect, and I go to noise removal, and then just drag and drop this to the media, right? So you can.
I was suffering from procrastination.
So right now you can change amount here, so it will sound different.
Right? So every time.
So the higher the number, the more noise it reduces, but also the lower the number, the more natural it will sound like. So that's you have to play with that. Another thing I like to change is the lightness, right? So I like to go to visual effect, then I'm going to go to color adjustment, then drag and drop again. Then as you can see here, you can change the brightness, and you can change the contrast, and you can change the saturation. So if you higher the brightness, the brighter your video is. The lower the number is, the darker your video is. And another one is saturation, right? So saturation is the higher number, the more colorful your video become. The lower the number is where it become more like monocolor video. So you really want to change based on your preference. And another thing I like to use is annotation, right? So I like to add sometimes like this thing, right? So you just drag and drop and put to the screen, and you can change the timeline, and you can make it lasting longer as well. So it can be here for a long time. So you can use that to add your logo to your video, and you can edit the text here. and you can change the font. You can change the color as well. And you can also change the color of the shape here. Right, just switch from the font or just the annotation. So that's how you added this one. Another pretty powerful thing I like to use is caption. So if you have someone transcript your video, you can just use that here. Or if you already have a file, you can just click on the import and you can add like captions easily. Just use this feature. So that's how easily you can edit your video using Camtasia. So after everything is done, you just go to share and go to local file. Then you can export the file. So that is how you can edit your video using Camtasia. I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you soon in the next video.